description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one, you may have seen this, I'd be floored if you haven't. This is Sapporo Ichiban Chow Mein. This is one of my favorites going way, way, way back. I know it's a favorite of Stumpy from North Little Rock, Arkansas. And, yeah. So, gosh, I didn't get the water boiling. So now we have to wait for that. But it won't take long because, did I put the water in the pan? No, I didn't even do that. It won't boil if it is not present. So today is the 9th day of July 2025. We went and saw the fireworks. It was a nice deal. Probably see some intro and outro stuff of that. Daughter's back in softball. She's playing softball. She's playing summer ball, and for her first outing, her first at bat, she got an RBI single and drove in a run, and yeah, that's rad. So, good things, good things. We did have a weird thing. So, my son's going to summer school, and there's this kid that used to ride the bus with him like 2 years ago, and that was like, they seemed to be friends, and then they were eventually just really not. I don't think they had any animosity towards each other, but maybe. But, yeah, so the first day of summer school, right? He's sitting on the bus. We got him on the bus. I love you. Bye-bye. And, you know, he got on the bus. And then a little bit later, before he even got to school, he gets to this bus stop. And his buddy, or ex-buddy, or whatever, gets on the bus. And his father gets on the bus and tells him to leave his kid alone. And it freaked him out. And it freaked the bus driver out. And long story short, the transportation people called me up, told me about it. My wife sent a message, and they said, well, we called the egregious parent and told him if he does that again, we will be calling the police. So that should do that. That was like, whoa. But a very odd deal, to say the least. Now, with that being done, we're gonna cook, and yeah, that's fun for you. See, there's the water, it's boiling. So this is chow mein. It's more like, you might think it seems a little more like yakisoba. There we go. Doing it up. Doing it up. There's going to be some interesting reviews to see pretty soon. Not that this one isn't interesting, but there will be more. So you let it go for about a minute. Once that minute's up, you flip it over and you get it till so it's all getting separated and everything, and then you add the sachets on and you're good to go. I'm only adding one of the sachets on because I like the sprinkle of the green laver. This that's the green laver. It's powdered seaweed. Now, I'm generally, as you might know, not a huge fan of seaweed, but in this, it's perfect. See, now we flip it over, like so. It's only a cup of water, but it doesn't take long until it starts getting engorged. But I've always really enjoyed this one. Tangy, delicious, yummy. Yum, yum, yummy. You kind of tease it apart. Once it really starts getting all separated like it's starting to right now, that's when you add the junk in. We'll leave it for a second and see what it says here. Yeah, you do the seaweed at the very end. I like this Sapporo Ichiban stuff because, like, this one comes with the seaweed. The Shio comes with a little sachet of sesame seed. I don't know if there's any others that have little extra garnish like that. There might be. Okay, this is about the time we add in the base. And like yakisoba, chow mein, generally I like the stuff with the liquid, but this stuff is just perfect. And this I got at my local grocery store. It was stupid expensive. It was like $2 for this one pack. Which is like, I've seen this stuff as low as $4 for like a 5-pack. So, but I was thinking, you know, I bet you I haven't reviewed this in a long time, and I hadn't, and it was like, I need to review this. I need reviewables. Now I've got a pretty decent amount. Now I've got more coming. So, I know it's okay, fine. Don't need to get that way about it. Don't use metal on the Teflon. But you know, it's an old pan. I'm not using it on any of the good pan. And I like a little Teflon in my diet, to be honest. Don't you? You want to kind of keep it going until almost all that liquid is gone. Well, pretty much all that liquid is gone. Still a little too murky. See, I've had varieties where it says use a skillet, and I've used a pot. This skillet has so much more of a surface, and as you can see all the steam coming up, it loses the liquid in a timely fashion, whereas in a pot it would not. I would not do this in a pot. Although I have in the past and it's worked out, but I think doing it this way is much better. You know, here comes that fork again, but I'm going to sample it at this point. Oh, come on. Okay, I guess I'll have a big bite. There it is. Cheers. Mm-hmm. And that's all it takes to go from almost done to done. Get off of there. Yeah, I love that stuff. It's good. It's not yakisoba, but it is a fried noodle. It's got a nice sweetness. I don't know the whole story of this. Oh, I was just thinking, I thought chow mein is a American affectation. It's like, no, wait, no. Chow mein isn't chop suey is. That was the whole deal. Alright. I got stuff to put in there. So there is a plate. And again with this one, I don't have any, what do you call it? I don't have any scallion, and that just seems like this needs to have scallions. I was thinking of doing some mayo on this, but that just really doesn't sound right. Shoot the lasers. The lasers of focus and truth. Zing, 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 ba. There's that. What else do we have? Ah, yes. Well, we don't have scallion, but I did egg it on a little bit. You know, why don't you get over this way a little more? You can get over this way. No. We'll have to figure something out there because it definitely needs more of something. I really wish I had more add-ins, but I don't. I'm kind of out of luck today. But yeah, I'll get more scallions. I mean that makes a big difference just on its own. But I think we're good. I think we're gonna leave it at that. A little bit of no. It's the egg. I'm seeing that big shadow right here, and yeah, rotate. We did forget something. I do have something more, ladies and gentlemen. We've almost forgot the green laver. Well, there's no we about it. Not your fault. Not trying to blame you. But that's definitely something I don't want to forget. You just put all on them. Like that. There. Carry on. it for me. There'll be more tomorrow, and that's that. So, happy November, getting close to turkey. Have a good one. Bye-bye.